Remember our chats about essential oils for hair growth and how they can banish dandruff? We've covered some powerful stuff, but, and this is a big but, applying them directly to your scalp can do more harm than good. Imagine pouring a shot of espresso directly onto your hair. Too strong, right? That's where carrier oils come in. They're like the perfect mocktail for your hair, diluting those potent essential oils and making them safe and effective. Think of them as your hair's best friend, helping those essential oils work their magic without any unwanted side effects. As Dinkins et al. 2023 explain, these oils ensure that while the potency is retained, the application is safe. So, buckle up, beautiful, because in this video, we're diving deep into the world of carrier oils. We'll uncover the top 7 carrier oils that will give you the luscious, healthy hair you've always dreamed of. Get ready to unlock your hair's full potential. First up, we have the holy grail of hair care, coconut oil. You've probably heard countless tales of its benefits, and trust me, they are all true. This tropical treasure is a godsend for anyone with dry, brittle hair. Imagine each strand as a thirsty plant, desperately craving moisture. Coconut oil acts like a tall glass of water, quenching your hair's thirst and restoring its natural shine. Its secret lies in its unique ability to penetrate the hair shaft, delivering intense hydration from the inside out. And the best part, it's incredibly affordable and readily available. You can find it in your pantry or at your local grocery store. Just make sure you're using virgin unrefined coconut oil for the purest and most effective results. Now, let's talk about how to use it. Warm up a tablespoon or 2 of coconut oil in your hands. It melts right in your palms, and gently massage it into your scalp and hair. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes or, even better, overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. Your hair will soak up all that goodness, leaving it feeling soft, silky, and oh so manageable. Remember, a little goes a long way. So start with a small amount and adjust based on your hair's needs. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it. Next, we have jojoba oil, a true miracle worker for those with oily scalps. You see, jojoba oil isn't actually an oil but a liquid wax that closely resembles our skin's natural sebum. This means it can trick your scalp into thinking it's already producing enough oil, effectively regulating sebum production and preventing that dreaded greasy look. Say goodbye to oily roots and hello to balanced, healthy hair. But that's not all. Jojoba oil is also a powerhouse of nutrients, including vitamins E and B complex, which nourish and strengthen hair follicles. This helps to reduce hair fall and promote healthy hair growth. To use jojoba oil, simply massage a few drops into your scalp after washing your hair. You can also add a few drops to your favorite shampoo or conditioner for an extra boost of hydration and shine. Its lightweight texture absorbs quickly without clogging pores, making it perfect for everyday use. So, if you're struggling with an oily scalp, give jojoba oil a try. Your hair will thank you for it. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, isn't just good for your heart, but also for your hair. This kitchen hero is packed with antioxidants and vitamins A and E, which nourish and protect hair from damage. Its rich texture penetrates deep into the hair shaft, delivering intense moisture and strengthening each strand from within. This makes it an excellent choice for those with thick, coarse hair that tends to be dry and frizzy. Olive oil can help to tame those unruly strands, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth, and more manageable. One of the best ways to use olive oil for hair is to create a hot oil treatment. Simply warm up 1/4 cup of olive oil. Make sure it's not too hot and apply it to your hair, focusing on the ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight. Wash your hair as usual and get ready to be amazed by the transformation. Your hair will feel incredibly soft, shiny, and full of life. Argan oil, often dubbed liquid gold, hails from Morocco and is prized for its incredible beauty benefits. This luxurious oil is brimming with antioxidants, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids, making it a true superhero for your hair. These powerful nutrients work together to protect your hair from environmental damage such as UV rays, pollution, and heat styling, which can lead to dryness, breakage, and dullness. Argan oil's lightweight texture absorbs quickly into the hair, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and incredibly manageable without any greasy residue. It's like a tall glass of water for your hair, quenching its thirst and restoring its natural shine. To use argan oil, simply warm a few drops in your palms and apply it to damp or dry hair, focusing on the ends. You can also add a few drops to your favorite shampoo or conditioner for an extra boost of hydration and protection. Its lightweight formula won't weigh your hair down, making it perfect for all hair types, from fine and straight to thick and curly. For my fine-haired friends, meet your new best friend, grapeseed oil. This lightweight oil is a godsend for those with thin or fine hair that tends to get weighed down easily by heavier oils. Extracted from grape seeds, grapeseed oil is rich in vitamins E and linoleic acid, which nourish and strengthen hair without leaving any greasy residue. It absorbs quickly into the hair, adding shine and manageability without making it look or feel oily. Grapeseed oil is also a natural heat protectant, making it perfect for those who frequently use heat styling tools. To use grapeseed oil, simply warm a few drops in your palms and apply it to damp or dry hair, focusing on the ends. You can also use it as a pre-shampoo treatment by massaging it into your scalp and hair and leaving it on for 30 minutes before washing your hair as usual. Its lightweight texture makes it perfect for everyday use, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth, and full of life. Sweet almond oil, a true multitasker in the beauty world, is a must-have for anyone with damaged or dull hair. This nourishing oil is rich in vitamins A, B, and E, as well as omega-3 fatty acids and magnesium, which work together to strengthen and repair damaged hair. It helps to smooth down the hair cuticles, reducing frizz and split ends, and leaving your hair feeling incredibly soft and silky. Sweet almond oil is also known for its ability to promote hair growth by strengthening hair follicles and reducing breakage. To use sweet almond oil, warm a few tablespoons between your palms and gently massage it into your scalp and hair. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight, for a deep conditioning treatment. Wash your hair as usual and get ready to experience the magic. Your hair will feel incredibly soft, smooth, and full of shine. Last but not least, we have avocado oil, a true gift from nature for those with dry, brittle hair. This rich and creamy oil is like a tall glass of green smoothie for your hair, packed with vitamins A, D, and E, as well as protein and healthy fats, which deeply nourish and moisturize hair from the inside out. Avocado oil is especially beneficial for those with dry, itchy scalps, as it helps to soothe irritation and reduce inflammation. Its moisturizing properties help to prevent breakage and split ends, leaving your hair feeling soft, smooth, and more manageable. To use avocado oil, simply warm a tablespoon or two between your palms and massage it into your scalp and hair. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. Wash your hair as usual and get ready to be amazed by the results. Your hair will feel incredibly soft, hydrated, and full of life. So, there you have it, your ultimate guide to the top 7 carrier oils for luscious locks. I hope you found this video helpful and feel empowered to incorporate these amazing oils into your hair care routine. Remember, healthy hair starts from within, and these oils are here to nourish, protect, and transform your hair from root to tip. Now, I know you're eager to put this knowledge into action, so stay tuned for my next video, where I'll be sharing my secret recipe for a DIY hair growth serum using these incredible carrier oils and essential oils. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, stay beautiful.